My name's Greg Ponder. I'm a partner at Viking Merger and Acquisitions, focus on production and sales. We run a very detailed process, and when we get to the point of procuring offers, we do a detailed analysis of that offer, what it really means in real dollars to them that they're going to take home and walk away with. When possible, we like to generate multiple offers. We find a buyer that is going to continue the legacy that that business owner has built. We are unique in the fact that we do not tour financial statements around, we tour the business. When a buyer comes to us, they know that our detailed process is going to be core due diligence begins after we have an acceptable offer in good faith. We navigate through that, we gather all materials that the buyer and their counsels ask for, and then we facilitate any financing that the buyer needs, and we take it all the way to close. It takes time to find the right buyer fit, and so that we're very patient with that process. On average, it takes 6 to 8 months to procure a buyer, facilitate a deal, and get to close.